You ever seen a wheel bearing that's beyond fucked that can actually fucking kill you if you go over the wrong bump too fast? I'll show you. Look how bad that is. That's why I don't take advice from William Overholser or Jamie Francis on anything auto related. Billy's great with wires, stereos, alarms. Not this shit. I knew I was risking it, even coming here. This fucking bearing. This bearing is so shredded. Bearings coming out and unraveling at the seams. That's the inner race of the damn bearing coming apart. I knew I was coming here. I actually thought I was gonna die. Sitting on the freeway doing 35 down I-5. That's why I got up at fucking 5 in the morning. So avoid all the traffic. You don't ever want a fucking bearing to do that, because that shit'll kill you. Don't be as stubborn as I am. I got fucking lucky. If shit ever looks like this, don't do it. Don't risk it. It's not fucking worth it.